How to turn on battery protection on your Samsung device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn on the battery saver on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up settings menu. And from your settings, you need to go ahead and find battery settings. You can find it right under display. But if you don't see it here, you can scroll down and go over to device care. And you should be able to find battery here. Tap on battery, and as you can see here, you have two options. The first one is power saving mode. So if you toggle this on, what it does is it's going to basically turn on dark mode on your device and then save the battery consumption by a lot. Tap on power saving mode to further change its settings, like you can limit CPU to 70%, turn off always on display, decrease brightness by 10%, set motion smoothness to standard, turn on dark mode, and set screen timeout to 30 seconds. You can customize it to your liking, so I'll just leave it as it is. And let me quickly turn it off. And about the battery protection, what you would do is if you tap on battery protection, you can adjust its charging behavior. So let me just toggle this on first. And then the first one is basic. So when your battery is charged with 100%, it will stop until the battery level drops down to 95 and then charge will start again. On the adaptive one, you can stop charging at 80%. And when you're asleep, it will switch to basic. So it's like changing back and forth. And the maximum one is you can set your limit when to stop charging. I'll just set this on basic and you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.